They said a little competition is cool. My baby is shaking in her knees. I should start already, you know. And I pre-prep my day, I pre-prep. But look at this. She's on her way, guys. I'm just here pre-prepping, getting all the stuff ready. Look at her. Okay, babe. Wifey, she there shaking her knees, you know. Guys, yeah, man, I get the teriyaki sauce on the go. Try to fix it the best way, you know. Alright, bad chef, you feeling it? So guys, I should have put time also, cause see, my baby finished long time, I'm gonna finish, but if we don't work with time, I'll probably put another dish.
Mine's been cooked so long.
Babe, you're showing weakness. The person having...
But on appearance, mine's gonna be mushy and cold.
I dug some yogurt tonight, some
I think you're kind of cheating because you're kind of using a lot of other ingredients.
What do you mean?
No. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh. Okay. That's how it's done?
That's how it's done.
Like, we should have had a time limit. When did we start, babe?
Yeah, you've been... I don't have my watch, baby. I don't even know the time.
3 hours later. No.
Oh my God, you're making me look like...